Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the theme on safety. The topic of discussion is safety on the road. Let's do some discussion. Number one is always walk on the footpath. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Never play on or near the road. Follow traffic signal. Do not get in or out of a moving bus. Wait till it stops. Do not lean out from a window of a moving bus. While crossing on the road, you stop, then look left. You look right, and you look left again. Next thing is look for cars, wait and think. See if there is no cars. Do not run, then go cross over to the other side. Let's do some activities. Turning on to that page 8, it says number and match. The first one is done for you. Number one, you stop. That means you point to the right word where it tells you the given sign. Stop. Stop. While stopping on the roadside, then you are going to stand on the pavement. Stand on the pavement or stand on the footpath. If it is not a footpath, then you stand on the sidewalk. Looking to the other side, do not cross. Then you look right. Then you're going to look left. You listen, cross the road. I hope you are clear with your activity. Try to do your matching at home. From my side, everyone, thank you for listening and goodbye for now. We'll see you next time.